Hello, it's unboxing of Zoom Probi M.S. Okay, and here's the box. It's the box, okay, and here's Zoom Probi MS. I don't really know what's MS, but it's size 10.5. Zoom Probi. It's not Zoom Probi 5, but it's very close to Zoom Probi 5. Okay, Zoom Probi. It's out here in the Philippines and Metro Manila here in the Philippines, and in Hong Kong. And this is the shoe. It's here. This is shoe. There, shoe. Of course, it has a Probi signature. And has the logo of Probi here, there, and it says with the Kobe Bryant. And here's is the inside of the shoe. Because it's number 4, and this is the second shoe, which has a number 2. There, it 2 and 4. Yeah, this is Probi and Probi logo there, Probi logo and Probi logo under. And this is the under of the shoe. There and here, first shoe. And I want to show you the free laces, white laces of the Zoom Probi. It's very similar to the Zoom Probi 5, but see, very nice. You may buy it in the Nike Park here in the Philippines or in Hong Kong, but rather buy it in the Philippines because it has more stocks here and has more sizes and more colors. This is the first mixed colors there.